Here's an interesting little rifle. On the left side of the receiver it reads H.M. Quackenbush, Herkimer, New York, USA. Patent in U.S. and England, February 23rd, 1886, and Belgium, March 15th, 1886. This is a really interesting action. Now, if you'll notice this little gouge in the barrel, that's from opening the bolt with the firing pin in this position. It's really best to place the firing pin in the middle position, or what they call the safety position. That's going to pull the firing pin away from the barrel. Then you can safely open it. Then you load your chamber, close the bolt back, and then you have to charge this all the way to the rear, and then pull the trigger to get a discharge. Now, this action is so loose that it's really hard to get that firing pin to catch. I certainly wouldn't shoot the gun in this condition. These were produced between 1886 and 1922. And although it's not marked anywhere, this is a 22 long rifle. We didn't see any markings on the top. None on the right side of the receiver. And there's nothing on the bottom. But it does have this nickeled finish. I'm wondering if this nickel finish is original factory. The barrel would have been blued and the bolt would have been blued, but it looks like the bluing on this is just gone from handling it so much. It's got a walnut stock and a casted butt plate with this real heavy horn at the top. All right, let's take this apart and see what it looks like inside. This company, Quackenbush, is known more for their air guns than their 22 rifles. And look at that. The receiver, the lower receiver, literally consists of just a trigger and a spring with a pin. Oh, look at that. An auto extractor. So a little extractor would have fit into this slot, and then a nub on the top of the part would have fit into this round cutout. And so when you open up the bolt, it would cause the extractor to push out whatever's in your chamber, your cartridge, your fired shell casing. It's really interesting. Oops. Yeah, this action is so loose. I'm not sure I would trust shooting it. But I am no expert with these Quackenbush rifles. If you know more, please put it in the comments below. I'd enjoy hearing what you have to say, and I'm sure everyone else watching would enjoy learning. Thanks for watching, people. Make it a great day.